Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your party box JBL Encore Essential. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now you can click on your party box. Cool. If it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So just press power button to turn off your party box, and after that press again to turn on it. Here we go. Now, if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this party box. So turn off your party box. After that, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that, turn on your party box. Now click Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. And click on your party box. And we did it. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press at the same time light button and play pause button for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, also click pair new device. And now it should turn on and enter to pairing mode. And now click on your party box. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!